Michigan prosecutors are back in court today to make their case for sentencing a teen gunman to life in prison.
17-year-old Ethan Crumley killed 4 students and wounded 7 other people at his high school in 2021. He already pleaded guilty to murder and other crimes, but a life sentence for minors isn't automatic. Crumley's lawyers want him to be eligible for parole, arguing that he can be rehabilitated.
Joining us with more on this is CBS News Detroit reporter Andres Gutierrez. Andres, what factors will the judge consider in this hearing?
Errol, there are several factors that Judge Kwame Rowe is considering. First and foremost is the shooter's age. He was 15 at the time he carried out the massacre at Oxford High School that killed 4 and injured several others. The other factors include, did he face mental health challenges? What was his family and home environment like growing up? Was he neglected? Were there issues of substance abuse or domestic violence? The judge will decide in the coming weeks if there is a chance that the shooter can be rehabilitated in prison. And after serving a sentence of between 25 to 40 years, he would have a chance at parole. If not, the shooter would be spending the rest of his life in prison.
Andres, what type of evidence is the prosecution hoping to present to prove their side?
Well, Lana, going into this hearing, we expected that the prosecution would get into the granular details of this tragedy. In doing so, there was some graphic testimony during Thursday's hearing leading into the thoughts of this violent person. On Thursday, the chief investigator in this case testified for more than 2 hours, detailing the 22-page journal belonging to the shooter that was found in a bathroom stall. The investigator described how the shooter romanticized torture, wanting to torture children, but then actually physically torturing baby birds because they're so helpless. The prosecution also had a teacher yesterday up on the stand who was wounded that day of the shooting, who said that the shooter was aiming to kill her. Then today we had heard the harrowing accounts of 2 students, one of them who helped a shooting victim and another who was right next to one of the victims who died. The prosecutor warned during her opening statement that some of these details were going to be hard to see and hear, but it needed to be presented so there could be justice for the families.
There were certainly hard details. I should mention for our audience that the video that we were seeing of Ethan Crumley in court was live video. This is all live video. So at times, if the video seems to freeze or anything like that, that's because it's coming from the court as it happens.
And Andres, what we're hearing from inside the courtroom, that's chilling as well. We understand that recordings were played allegedly the night before the shooting, where he's heard saying, "I'm going to have so much fun tomorrow. My name is Ethan Crumley, and I'm going to be the next school shooter." It seems to suggest a premeditation, a very purposeful act. What is the defense's strategy in this hearing?
So at this point, they're going to chalk it up to it being that he never got help for his mental health issues. The prosecution ended up resting their case earlier this morning, this afternoon. As court is resuming, we are expected to hear from some experts as well as from psychologists to support their ability to saying that the shooter can be rehabilitated in prison.
All right, Andres Gutierrez, thank you.